What's going on, guys? So I'm giving you the tips and tricks of how to land your first ollie, and I will also give you some tips of how to land them more consistently if you've already landed your first one. I'm going to start off with how to ollie, then I'll move on to how to land them more consistently. So let's get right into it. Learning how to ollie is the most important thing to do on a skateboard because it's the basis of all tricks that you're going to be doing pretty much. From flat ground, where your basic tricks can be kick flips and heel flips and pop shove-its, where you all need to pop before you do the trick, to even street, where you're popping into ledges, rails to do grinds and all sorts of slides. I apologize for it being so windy out right now, but the ollies consisted of a jump and a slide of your foot. So without a skateboard, it would look like this. Here's the foot placement you need. You need your front foot somewhere in the middle of the board. I usually prefer a few inches below the front bolts. And you need your back foot to be on the edge of the board, right in the middle, on the end, so you can get that pop down with your heel. When you ollie, you want your back foot to pivot by your heel almost. You want to slam the board down with the ball of your foot and your toes. And once you do that, you want to lift your back foot up. This is the part that most people forget to do, because if they just do this, the board's just going to stay on the ground, like hit the ground, hit the ground, hit the ground. You want to lift your back foot up like you're going to catch the board with your back foot. So you go down, lift your foot up, and the board will catch your back foot. When you get that pop down, you want your front foot to just slide up the board. This will level out the board to where your back foot is. So you catch it. So you catch it with your back foot. So you're going to pop down with your toes, start to lift up with your back foot while you slide up with your front foot, and your back foot will catch it and your front foot will already be on it, and then you just glide down. Here's an example of an ollie with a skateboard. I'm gonna super slow this down so you can see what's happening. So I start my jump, I pop my back foot as I'm coming up, I slide my front foot, I'll freeze it right here. You can see that my back foot's caught it, I'm level, and I start coming back down, and I just glide right back down. If you want your ollies to be higher, you can place your front foot a little lower so you have more room to slide up, and you just jump a little higher too. Here's an example of a higher ollie. Here's another slow down one. Pop, lift up my feet, slide, glide down, and land. Now it's time for consistency. My key component to learning consistency was repetition. Start with doing 2 ollies in a row. Ollie, land, just 2. Then move on to 3. See how fast you can do 3 ollies in a row. Ollie, 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 and so on. Do 100 of these a day. Do 100 3 ollies in a row a day. You can expand how many you do. You can do 4. Ollie, 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 ollie. And you can even see how long you can go, how many ollies you can do in a row. And this was my key thing of landing them consistently, because it got me used to landing and popping again, and just getting that motion of sliding my foot. Just doing it over and over. Here's an example of the 3 ollies in a row. Thanks for stopping in. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if this video helped you in a way, make sure to let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.